Welcome back. Today I am making a sweet potato pudding. I got a little over 2 pounds of grated sweet potato. Half a pound of grated cocoa, not yam. I have sugar that I'm gonna add in here. Now I'm gonna mix these in. Now I'm gonna add 2.5 cups of coconut milk, fresh coconut milk. To my flour, I have a cup of flour. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of ginger, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, and a teaspoon of salt. And I'm gonna shortcut it and just mix these together with my fork. Oh, I'm making a whole mess here. Teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg. Gonna add my flour. Now I have half a stick of melted butter. That's 4 tablespoons. Teaspoon of vanilla. I'm gonna add my raisins. I'm gonna give it a little taste. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of my secret sauce. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. Now this is some of my fruits that I use in my Christmas cake. Now my pan is greased with butter and flour, and I'm gonna pour my batter in. This is gonna go into the oven that's preheated at 300 degrees, and it's gonna be an hour before I'll check it. And let's make the glaze for our pudding. I have half a cup of coconut milk and 1/4 cup of sugar. And we are going to turn our burner on. We are going to make this into a syrup of sorts, which we will use to glaze the top of our pudding. Let's get the slide on here. Let's add our sauce to the top. Okay, so the pudding is cool and I've cut into it, and this is what it looks like. And I must say I'm very pleased with the outcome. As always, thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell. Bye.